Minexa.ai removes the need for scraping libraries, proxies, and headless browsers by handling everything automatically behind the scenes for scraping flight schedules. Head to the page with your records. Minexa automatically adapts to JavaScript rendered content and dynamic elements without any configuration. Open the extension. Minexa works directly on dynamic, fully loaded pages in your browser. Click here, and Minexa scans the structure of the page, mapping how records are grouped and repeated across the layout. Full page coverage is confirmed. Minexa detected the navigation pattern and will follow it on every single run. Decide if the list view gives you enough, or if you need Minexa to click into each row and pull the full record. Click Continue for standard pages, or switch to advanced mode when the site requires user input or navigation before showing the full results. Click Create Scraper if the block looks right. The analysis only takes a few minutes and produces a scraper that works across all pages with the same layout. Your full data structure is ready. Select the fields you want, and this scraper will use them every time it runs. Here we capture flight routes, prices, departure and arrival times for accurate flight schedules. Click API Request to copy working Python code. Just add your URLs and run it straight away to start extracting this data. Nearly there. Click Complete Configuration to lock in your setup before the final step. Pagination is part of your scraper now. Every run collects the complete dataset across all pages. Your scraper is ready to run. Optionally pick a schedule so Minexa reruns it automatically and keeps your data fresh. Hit Run and your dataset is generated, ready for export to Excel, JSON, Google Sheets, or API pipelines immediately after completion. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. You can drop this straight into a database, pipeline, or spreadsheet. Typical data points include flight routes, departure and arrival times, prices, and available seats for accurate flight schedules. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. Install Minexa and go from any website to a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, no maintenance.